Hi guys, are you a business owner finding it difficult to set up a proper accounting and bookkeeping record the right way with confidence? Are you an accountant that cannot prepare a financial statement? Or you are a student currently studying business, finance, or accounting related courses? If yes is your answer, then this is for you. My name is Samuel Onaino, lead consultant at Donzen Accounting Hub with over 6 years experience in the industry. Over the years, I've helped both startup and multi-million naira companies across the sector set up a proper and functioning accounting system, which has led to expansion and growth in revenue. Welcome to Donzen Accounting Hub. Donzen Accounting Hub is a bookkeeping firm and a community dedicated to fostering the right skills, principles, and commitments to thrive in the new normal. At Donzen Accounting Hub, we make bookkeeping solutions for small business owners and accounting tool more accessible. All right. We also help business owners to train them and also help to keep proper record keeping, accounting, so that for you to be able to generate reliable and accurate information. That's the financial information. All right. But most businesses do not have enough, or let's say, adequate resources or tool that can help you or aid you to have the accurate accounting information and the financial report that you need to make management of decisions. So at Donzen Accounting Hub, we have been able to design an accounting toolkit for small businesses that can help you to overcome any accounting challenges irrespective of your business you do in Nigeria. All right. So quickly, I'm going to show you how the Donzen Accounting Toolkit for small business is going to help you to navigate, solve all your wahalas, and you enjoy doing your business from a balanced perspective. Now, this is what the Donzen Accounting Toolkit is looking like. This is the home page. This is the home screen, like your desktop screen. All right. And from here, it houses too many other accounting templates. All right. So this toolkit is so comprehensive, but it's housing other template inside of it. Now, this is a template for what? For asset register. This is a template for budgeting. This is a template for profit or loss statement. This is a template for your pricing, for your product pricing, and this is a template for what? Your balance sheet, your capital allowance, your inventory management template, your vendors and suppliers, to be able to track your invoices and track the payment to your vendors and suppliers, keep accurate database, and also generate your accounts payable, so that you know how much you are going to pay your suppliers, those who supply you raw materials. All right. You also have the template for what? To manage your customers, all the sales you are making, the sales and the receipts that you have, the sales that you have made. This helps you to track your customers, track all your revenues, track their database and everything. You prepare account receivables report to make management decisions, and you have purchase orders, petty cash, invoice template, and then what's it called? You have a pay slip, pay computation, everything, you have them here. So you also have the general ledger and a workspace where you need to prepare your monthly income statement, for you to be able to understand or know determine your profitability for your business. Okay. So let me just start by giving you just a brief rundown and how you can navigate through this template. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to prepare your income statement for end of month. All right. You just come here. Let's say for the month of January, you want to prepare your income statement. You want to know your profitability for the month. You just click on this monthly worksheet for the month of January, and it brings you here. All right. So here, this is what the template looks like. Inside of it, this is what it looks like. This is your work area where you need to. You don't have to live here for you to be able to prepare your financial report for the month. All right. It has the date column, the description, the payment voucher, the money coming into your business and the money going out of your business, and it has the balance, it has the account type and classification. Now, this is how to do it. At month end, as the month is coming to an end, as a business owner or as an accountant or whoever you are, listening to me, all right? You just have to what? Bring in, consolidate your bank statement. Consolidation means bring in, if you have one or more bank statement, consolidate them, bring them together into this what? Upload them into this template and use it to prepare your monthly profit or loss statement. So from your bank statement, you can copy all the date, upload the date for the month, all right? Upload and paste them here. So that is what you're going to do. So if the bank is Zenith Bank, all right, they're going to send you statements at the end of the month. So copy the transaction details for the month and also upload them here, all right? So if you have your payment voucher is the authorizing voucher numbers you use in-house. If you have authorizing documents, please, for each of the transactions, all right, please put them there and you move on. So this place is the money coming into the lodgement and the deposit, the transfer into your bank account. So put them here under this column and you move on from there. So all the payments that are going out of your business, this is where you record them, all right? Just upload everything and you put them, you move on from there. So if you have any other bank statement, let's say Access Bank, please do the same thing. Rename this one to be Access Bank and you start putting the transaction date and also the transaction details. But for now, we are using one bank account. What you're going to do here is copy the date, the same thing, put the date as it's happening, and also put the petty cash expenses. That's the administrative expenses, the in-house expenses on a daily basis. You put them here. So once you have done that, please put the payment as the money is going out of your petty cash, and that's that. So once you have finished doing that, what you need to do now is you want to start analyzing, and accounting becomes intentional here. You want to start analyzing, you want to start asking questions, all right? Now, let me just take it up a bit. So let's say this morning now, you are asking yourself, account type is we have designed this to have account type so that you can post and ask questions that this money you either receive or you spent, what is the purpose? Is it for asset purchase, or is it relating to your cost of sales in generating your revenue, or is it associated with your cost of sales? Is it an expense you made for your business, or is it an equity kind of transaction? Is it a revenue kind of transaction? So this is where you ask yourself question, what kind of transaction is this? All right. So this money, 300,000 for instance, is money going going out of your business. All right. Let me just delete this and so that we can just show you around. All right. So what you can do here is you just double click this drop down, right? Double click and you can take this to be cost of sales, all right? Cost of sales and it's your direct cost, all right? So let's say costs, then you just type costs. Cost is going to bring out all the costs, all right? Now under your direct cost, you can see direct cost or cost of sales. You have your money cost, site labor cost and machine, subcontractor cost, property maintenance cost. This is for a real estate company, all right? So even if in your business, there are associated direct costs you need to do. Let's say, okay, now this is what a subcontractor kind of costs, all right? Now, you put there, you select there, and this is under cost of sales. Let me put this as cost of sales. Then you select it and put another cost here, right? You can select the drop down. Just select, check, and ask yourself, what do you spend this money on? All right. Let's say this is our permits and licensing fee or road construction or drainage. Just something, anything. Just select and put this for this purpose. So this is 800,000 naira, okay, on that cost of sales. So let's say this money now, the same thing you're going to do, select for revenue, 7.5 million naira. What kind of revenue? Double click and you select, go under the revenue, check for revenue. and you see the different kind of revenue. So you have for real estate, you have what's it called? Sales of property, land and buildings, property management, real estate development, joint venture, construction contract and everything, subcontraction and real estate. So let's say this is for land and building, 7.5 million naira, sales of property. You made a sales and all of that. So you can also go to the income statement and profit or loss statement, and let's see how it goes. All right. So you can see that that one we just classify 7.5 million naira has updated. This is what your profit or loss statement looks like on a monthly basis. On a horizontal level, it tells you what your revenue for the period, the different revenue sources. All right. So these are the different revenue sources. Now it has a place for sales return and discount. If you gave discount or a client's purchase and is no longer interested, you have to record it and post. All right. It also has your net sales. You know your net sales. Then you move on to your cost of sales area. All right. Cost of sales. You know, we put 500,000 and 300,000 naira before. You can see them. It has updated. All right. So this is the cost of sales for days, months. Then you have your total cost of sales in terms of 800,000 naira, and you have your gross profits. All right. So this is so comprehensive. Before you can now go to your administrative expenses, and you now have your net income for the month. So this is your bottom line items. All right. Net income 6.7 million naira. And if you go up a bit, and you're going to see your net income for the month. All right. 6.7 million. I can see it here, boldly written here. Now I want to post something. Let me post a transaction into the advert and promotion as an administrative expenses, and also discount. Maybe give discount. So let me just go to the month of January and also post a transaction relating to what administrative. Let's say, for instance, this 44,000 naira is I'm just picking a random expense, and select from the drop down. Just click the drop down. Let's say advert and promotion. Let me select under administrative expenses. All right. Where is it? Advert and promotion. I'm coming. All right. So this is advert and promotion under admin expenses. All right. So 100,000 naira as let me put this as expenses has to be discount. All right. Discount. So sales discounts, and let's see what happens. So go back to the profit or loss, and let's see. Okay, administrative can see under the operation expenses, advert and promotion has updated 44,000 naira, and 100,000 naira says discount. Can you see? So this is the amazing thing. This is how to go about this, how to use it, and your net income, you see it. So it accumulates your net income, and you see on a monthly basis, and what your year to date is looking like. All right. So this is how you can use this. This is our website from Donzen Accounting Hub website. So this is all about us. So we are bookkeeping for Africa. You can read more about us, about our services, and you can just go to different resource area and check our pricing and the things that we can do for you at Donzen Accounting Hub. All right. So this is our website. You can just go through and you see that for yourself. All right. Let me just go back and also show you how you can use the template to connect with us on our social media. If you want to follow us on Instagram, Donzen Accounting Hub. So this is all about us. You can read more about us and follow us. So these are social media pages. All right. So that's that. We have a whole lot, all right, for you. So just get in touch, send us a DM, and we're going to get you started. All right. Thank you. And more importantly, this can either help you get employed or run a successful business. And here's the best part. Even if you have zero skill, we are confident and intentional about what we are bringing to the table. Become irresistible, indispensable, and watch your competence level and career improve significantly. All you have to do to start is click the link below and sign up.